Hey y'all, so here it is. Acsned Racing has sent me one of their shift knobs. It's the Momentum Pro R. Very excited about it. Comes in very nice packaging, as y'all can see. Nice little box. I got the sky white. Comes with instructions. I'll definitely be looking at those later, but here we go. Here is Mr. Aaron's business card. Very cool guy. And here is the shift knob itself. Very nice. Very heavy. Basing off of first impressions, very heavy shift knob, but very good quality. Very good white. It matches exactly with my car, so that should be exciting. And yeah, comes with these two stickers. I'll definitely be putting those on somewhere in my car. So I apologize for the lighting. I'm in my garage because I just cleaned my car and it's raining, but as it seems, it is only, you just twist. Oh yeah, just twist and the stock shift knob comes right off. Oh yeah, this is very light compared to the other one. Yeah, this new one should be very smooth, very nice. So yeah, so we just take the new one and screw it on just like that. Perfect. And it just sits there. It has the reverse lockout. Yeah, perfect. Oh, that is so nice. Okay, let me get it all finished, set up, and I'll do a little drive and everything. But oh, this feels so much nicer already. It's a bit taller too, so okay. I'll get into it here in a sec. So here's the new shift knob. This is Acsned Momentum Pro R's shift knob. It's in white. They have it in white, like brushed metal. I think it was black. Close the window. So far it feels great. It's very smooth compared to stock or OEM, whatever you want. So right now I am in third. I'm gonna do a little pull, second pull, see how it feels, but now shifting feels great. That feels great too. I mean, oh Lord. Yeah, I mean, it feels great overall. Starting, you know, from a pull like that, I think they nailed it with the weight. Yeah, sorry, I'm like. So I guess the final note I have on the shifter itself, this versus OEM, me personally, I choose this. This is much smoother. It looks much nicer, and I think looks are a big thing, I guess, in cars. I guess performance as well, but for me, looks are important too, so this looks nicer. It performs better in my opinion. OEM, not to speak bad about it, it's a great shifter OEM. Very light, very feedbacky, if that makes sense. But yeah, like I said previously, I choose this over OEM. It looks great, it feels great, I love it. Only downside, I'd say it gets pretty chilly when it's cold outside, and I'm sure it'll be the same with hot, but after like a minute of using it, it's perfect. But yeah, I'd like to thank Acsned Racing again for hooking me up with this. Very grateful for it. I'm loving it so far, and I'm sure I'll love it for the time that'll come in the future. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll try to keep uploading different types of stuff, but thank you. Y'all have a good one.